Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make stewed chicken and potatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces. Also, prepare 3 large potatoes, peeled and cut into 1/2-inch cubes. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper, all finely chopped. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and brown them thoroughly on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper, sautéing for about 5 minutes until softened. Then, pour in 1 cup of chicken broth to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. It's time to bring everything together for a comforting simmer. Return the browned chicken to the pot. Add the cubed potatoes, 2 more cups of chicken broth, and 1 14½ ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Almost ready to enjoy your delicious creation. After simmering, check the potatoes for tenderness. They should be easily pierced with a fork. If they need more time, continue cooking for another 5 to 10 minutes. Taste the stew and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs to your liking. Ladle the hot stew into bowls, garnish with fresh chopped parsley, and serve immediately with fluffy rice or warm, crusty bread for a complete meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.